Ikomidi lesikhashana ePhalamende elizophenya ngezinsolo ezenziwa uMkhwanazi ngoNtulikazi seliqoke ozohola abaphenyi abazophenya ngalezi zinsolo.
The person that has been appointed by Parliament to assist the committee in leading evidence is Advocate Norman Arendse, who is the senior counsel. And in terms of the profile, it is noted in there for members' convenience, and then they can actually read it later.
Ngokwaleli komiti, uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kumele kube ngumuntu wokuqala ovela ngaphambi kwalo, kodwa ngenxa yekhomishana eyaqokwa umengameli wezwe ephenya ngalezi zinsolo, uMkhwanazi uveze ukuthi uyoze akwazi ukuvela ngaphambi kwalo leli komiti ngasekupheleni kukaMandulo. uJulius Malema uthi abangalawulwa uMkhwanazi.
Mkhwanazi must be summoned to this committee. This ad hoc committee, it's established because Mkhwanazi took his own time to say the things he said, and is not going to tell us now that he's not available. The same way he was available to appear on TV with guns and everything else, that is the same way he's going to avail himself to this committee. He needs to be called, and the sooner we call him, the better.
Amalunga leli komiti aphinde aphakamisa ukuthi loyo owabe engungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uBheki Cele kumele avele ngaphambi kwalo leli komiti.
But Bheki Cele, I think we can consider him, he's a former minister, so I don't think he forms, he can fall into that category. And a lot of the allegations also falls under while he was a minister. So I think I'm motivating that we include him also in this round.
Leli komiti lithi lifisa kuphele umfumfu seliphothulile uphenyo lwalo.